Happy New Year, everyone. It's Stephen Daniel Kakmak here from McConnell Bourne. We hope you had a great Christmas and enjoyed the long weekend. Now that we're back into the full swing of things, we wanted to have a quick chat around what's happening in the market and also a wrap up of 2018 for Chatswood. Now, there was a lot of talk throughout 2018 about what was happening in the market, so we really wanted to focus on how Chatswood performed as a suburb last year. Now, throughout the 12-month period, we saw about a 19% drop in the amount of sales that we had. And interestingly enough, out of the 118 homes that were sold in Chatswood last year, 89 of those were on the west side of the highway, whilst only 19 were on this side, on the east. So there was still a strong demand, because in 2017, we saw 58 homes sell on the east side.
Yeah, so in 2017, it was a lot more evenly distributed. You know, more or less half the homes selling were from the east and half from the west.
Yep.
But in 2018, it was very, very heavily skewed to the west. And that could be a reason why the average sale price in Chatswood had come down, because there were less sales on the east side, which obviously they tend to fetch a little bit of a higher price.
So the average sale price for 2017 was just over 2.7 million, whilst in 2018 was hovering at about 2.28.
Yeah.
So it's about a 16% drop in the average sale price throughout last year. Now, that's not too inconsistent with what we've been hearing, and the media's been pushing about a drop in sale prices, but we're noticing that there's still demand for quality homes, especially on the east side of Chatswood.
Yeah, so I think the big question really is, well, okay, that's all well and good, guys, but what's in store for this year? So now that the January sort of period is ending and everyone's really gearing back up, we are already starting to see homes come on the market. At our open homes, personally, we have been seeing great numbers coming through. Obviously, the buyer sentiment is a little bit more reserved, but in saying that, there's still great people in terms of numbers coming through homes, which should lead to results. So in the next 3 to 4 weeks, we should have a really, really good understanding of where things are at.
Although, with things tipped to continue the way they were last year, it's important that a lot of our clients we're dealing with are trying to really capitalise whilst things are off to a good start and a positive start in the beginning of this year.
Exactly. If we're on the downward slope, then yeah.
If that's the case. Yeah. So we are noticing a lot more local families coming back to Chatswood, with that 4 million plus bracket has taken a bit of a slower turn in the amount of buyers there are qualified looking in the Chatswood market, and that could be a slowdown of overseas money coming in as well. But we are noticing a lot more local buyers attracting back to Chatswood, which is really great. But if you wanted to have a chat about what we're seeing out there, if you just wanted to discuss your own property goals, we'd love to hear from you. Otherwise, wishing you all the best for the new year.
All the best. Thank you.